How to create a resume with Google Docs. Job hunting. A strong resume is your key to landing that dream interview. This video will guide you through creating a compelling resume with Google Docs, transforming your resume from novice to a pro in no time. Ditch the fancy resume builders and expensive software. Google Docs offers a user-friendly and free platform to create a professional and customizable resume that will make you stand out. Create a clear header section that includes your full name, contact information, phone number, email address, and a professional website or LinkedIn profile. A concise summary statement of 2 to 3 sentences is optional, highlighting your skills, experience, and career goals. This is your chance to showcase your professional journey, so list your previous jobs in reverse chronological order, meaning most recent are first. Include company name, job title, dates of employment, and a bulleted list of your key responsibilities and achievements in each role. Use strong action verbs and quantifiable results to make your impact stand out. Showcase your relevant skills. This can include technical skills, soft skills, and industry-specific expertise. List your educational background, including degrees, diplomas, and relevant coursework, and include volunteer work or awards that showcase your well-roundedness and commitment to your field. Don't clutter your resume. Use clear headings, bullet points, and consistent spacing. Stick to professional and easy-to-read fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. Avoid overly decorative or small fonts. So fire up Google Docs today and start crafting your career story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.